Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your laptop's internal microphone not working on Windows. Quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First, check your system tray down by the clock. Make sure the sound icon is not muted and the volume is up. If that's good, open the search menu and type troubleshoot and hit enter when troubleshoot settings pops up. Scroll to Other Troubleshooters, find Recording Audio, and click Run. Let it scan and fix any issues it finds. Next, search Control Panel in the left menu, open it, and view by large icons. Click Sound, go to the Recording tab, select your microphone, and hit Properties. In the Listen tab, ensure Continue Running when on battery power is checked. If it's unchecked, enable it, turn up the microphone level, and set microphone boost to around 10 decibels. Hit Apply, then OK. You can also try Restore Defaults under the Advanced tab, then click Configure to run the setup wizard for a quick test. That's it, folks. If this got your mic working, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you next time.